Boy, what's going on? He thinks you're cheating? He thinks this is not his job? What's life like?
It's like hell.
You didn't cheat on him?
I did not cheat on him at all.
You didn't cheat on you with a family member?
No.
And that child is his?
Child's 100% his.
When we spoke with Shane last night, this is what he had to say. Watch.
I'm here today to find out if Billy Joe's son, Hunter, is mine. I really doubt that Hunter is mine because I think Billy Joe has been cheating on me. Even all Billy's girlfriends say I'm not the father. Billy is gone for days at a time with her family members. I honestly believe she may be sleeping with him. I want to know the truth, if she's been cheating on me and if Hunter is mine.
You hide her phone?
Sometimes I do.
Because you don't trust her.
Dad never cheated on you. You know that.
I don't know that.
Yes, you do.
Hey, you believe she's been messing around with a family member?
How can you even say that?
Her own family?
Really is not. You are such a liar. Who was the one that, when I was 3 months pregnant with your child, was going to sleep with my baby girl?
Get your tail. Get your tail. Get it.
When it comes to 18-month-old Hunter Shane, the DNA results are next. Shane, you are the father.
Get your tail.
They're back in the exact
Get your tail. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Go home with Ashley, Isis, or by himself. For more information on DNA paternity testing, call DNA Diagnostic Center at 1-877-DNA Center.